Marsha, I love you and you love me too.
Dog, you can sing for your girl them still, you know.
Eh?
How you write that song there for?
Marsha.
Yeah, how much?
Me 18 years and over, sir.
You know, say Garfield Makuk, him a do a competition, independent.
Yeah, me hear about it.
Yeah, dog, you have to just enter, dog. You see me? That
And
song the
I
bad.
entry 150 US entry fee.
You see me? You see me? So just submit your thing, dog. Your song in a MP3 file.
Yeah.
And your lyric sheet them. You see me, dog? You have to just get the thing up.
How many stars again?
You're tough, you know. You know, so you have to submit by May 15. Yeah, and you see July 31st,
Yeah.
at them time them a put it on all platforms, so you have a global. But you know what going crazy? You see me, man? Hear me, I say, hear me, hey. Calm down. You have to be a Jamaican who live over there, overseas.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you come like a rising
I
star.
want rising star for overseas. So all
overseas Jamaican.
Yeah, just get your thing, email at JIIFSC@gmail.com. You see me? Submit your song, cause
That call him cause he's bad and wicked like me.
bruh.